everyone, Ram Ram. My name is Anulakra. I make makeup videos specifically focused on eye makeup. Today I'm going to tell I make I shoot. So first of all, you have to do what about makeup.
Hello everyone, Ram Ram. My name is Anulakra. I make videos about makeup, mostly focused on eye makeup. And today we are going to learn how to apply liquid eyeliner. I'm going to teach you how to apply it nicely so that your eye makeup doesn't get disturbed, doesn't get ruined while applying it. And for obviously you need a little bit practice to master it. So let's get started. I'm using Biotique's magic liner. Whenever you apply a liquid eyeliner, first of all make sure you remove the excess from the the stick that is there, the brush or the stick, whatever. Even on the brush, remove the excess. It should look like this, sharp. It should not be covered entirely with the product, and it should not look distorted like this. It should look sharp and clean. So obviously you don't have to remove all the product from the brush. Keep it a little bit, not so much, because first of all we will get into creating the outline, then we will fill it. And even if we have a lot of product on the brush, it doesn't give us the perfect line. I'll show you the technique. Like in my previous video also, I've mentioned, like, you should place your hand on your face or something, or even on a desk. You can put it on your desk or a vanity, wherever, and so that your hand doesn't shake or anything, and it gets stable, and you can create a straight line. And always while applying your eyeliner, keep your brush like this and always drag it like this. So I'll show you here. And the trick I always use is stamping rather just dragging it or applying it, painting it like this. So to make the eyeline, like the outline of the eyeliner, first what I do is I make the outline, then I fill that, the part within those lines. So what I do is I always use stamping technique. Sorry. So what I do is this. Sorry, I'm not able to do it properly. I'll show you now. So what I do is stamp it like this. You can see. And I do not draw it like this. I use stamping technique. So I'll show you on my eye how exactly I do it. While putting eyeliner on your eyelid, always start with applying from middle of your eye. That is why, because if you will be starting from the inner corner of your eye and it gets thick, so the eye won't look good, the eye shape won't look good. You can create a thin line over here, thin, and while going outside, make your eyeliner thicker. So that is the key. I'll start applying from the middle of my eye. I'm using the stamping technique. I've just stamped here. Then I'll go forward and I will create this line. I will make this line straight rather, following my original eye line. So, always make sure you do not open your eye while applying this, or you will make the blunder like I did. So anyway, I'll just make it a straight line like this. Stamp, stamp. Also, do not talk, because again, you won't be able to achieve a straight line if you will be constantly talking. Stamp. So I have drawn a straight line till the end of the eye. Here, what I can do is I can either make it till here, and my eyeliner will be like uh, following my original eye line, and I won't be extending it more. If you want winged eyeliner, you can extend it till, at any point you want your eyeliner to be. So right now I'm making it till my original eyeline is, and then what I will do is, this is the upper line, and in the lower line what I will do is I'll just close it here. I just close the shape over here like this. Can you see? And then this space that has been left between this shape is the upper line and where I have closed this. I will just fill it out. You can use this technique, or you can again use the stamping technique, whatever suits you, to fill this area, because we don't really have to be perfect while filling it up. Done. So now what we have to do is, you can see it's not that perfect, but we have got a shape that we are going to create for our eyeliner. So in that case, you can just go over this and draw again to create that smooth line. Okay, now we will take a line from here and we will connect it till here. No excessive product, I've removed all, just a little bit of product on the brush. The way you put your brush determines the shape of your eyeliner. Shape as in which direction the line is going. So if you will draw like this, stamping, it will create a line like this. So always hold your eyeliner brush like this. We'll start drawing from the inner corner, and make sure you are just connecting, drawing from the innermost corner. Oh no, I have blinked. Shit. Sorry. So you can see this is what happens when you keep on talking, or even move your face while applying the eyeliner. This is the first time I'm doing it. That is the reason I'm making a lot of mistakes here. And done. You have to be really patient while working with a liquid eyeliner. Yeah, that is a negative point using liquid eyeliner. Now you can see we are done with the basic shape of our eyeliner. If you want to wing it, like if you want to extend it, if you want it to be be a little longer, you can extend it till the point you want. And we will use the same technique, the stamping, outlining, and the filling technique. I'll show you right now. This is how we will extend it. Just a basic stamping technique. Now also extend this line, a line coming from your lower lash line to make it pointed. I'm using the same stamping technique and just merge it with the upper line. Obviously it looks blunt. You have to extend it a little bit more to make that sharp line or this sharp edge. So this was the one technique, and if you don't know exactly how to create that, that look, lifted look, there's one more trick you can try. You can make a rough outline using eyeshadow. You can pick any color, like I'm using this brown shade so that it won't look totally different on my skin. I'm just using it as rough sketch, so that using that outline I can create my required eyeliner shape. Create a rough outline with this eyeliner. I'll use darker shade for your reference. So like this, and then join it till here. This is my required shape and length of the eyeliner that I want. Obviously you don't have to be perfect with this, because this is just a rough base. I've used a darker shade just to show you, so that it will be visible on camera. And now I will draw my eyeliner with same technique, stamping and then filling it up and then extending it till this point. And I won't be talking, so that it will look, I can apply it better, in a better way, and don't mess up it like this. When it will be dried, I will remove the shadow color I have used from the guide. Obviously you don't really even have to, because it's not that visible. And we are done. If you feel the lower line that you have created with your eyeliner is not that clean, you can anytime, anyway, use the concealer to shape it better. The one without talking and the one while talking. And you can make your eyeliner as thick or thin as you want. This is the way I apply my eyeliner, and this is what I found easier to apply the liquid eyeliner. I hope you will like it, and if you try it and if you like it, share it with your friends and share the pictures with me, or you can just tag me on in your pictures, and I will be more than happy to see the results that you create. And at the same time, if you feel any difficulty, or if you feel you want to know more about how to apply it, just ping me on Instagram and I'll be there to help you. So until next time, see you. Bye bye. Take care. Ram ram.